So today we are dissecting a flower. Let's get started. First, we will remove the sepals. Next, remove the stem. And the ovary came out. This is the ovary. Next, remove the petals one by one. And remove the stigma. Remove the anthers. These small yellow parts are called the anthers. And these stringy-like parts that connect to the anthers are called filament. The anther and the filament are called stamen. That is known as the androecium. Now we have the gynoecium, the stigma, the style, and the ovary. And this is the corolla, the petals. The sepals are calyx. Now we'll cut the ovary. These are the ovules inside, the white beady-like parts. Next we cut the ovary the other way. Now we will cut the style. Inside of the style, it is hollow, but there is a white tube. This tube. Through this tube, the pollen grains travel to the ovary, where they mix with the ovules to become a fruit, to become a seed. And the ovary or the receptacle swells to become the fleshy part of the fruit. Bye.